Cocon.
Are you looking to renovate your home and create the space of your dreams? Look no further than our home renovation service. Our team of experts will work with you to create a custom plan that fits your needs, style, and budget. Using state-of-the-art 3D renderings will help you visualize your new space before any construction begins. From kitchen and bathroom remodels to whole house renovations, we've got you covered. We'll also provide furniture and decor recommendations to bring your space to life. Let us help you turn your house into the home of your dreams. Contact us today at 00212-623-217-557 or 00212-626-880-867 or send us a mail at info@cocon.com.co. You can also find us on www.cocon.com or on Instagram at cocon.interior.shop.